following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. A mysterious bright light that resembles a comet was seen impacting near the Pacific and Atlantic Oceans, the Gulf of Mexico, and much of the United States. NASA has confirmed that this bright light is from an extraterrestrial origin and had tried to contact the extraterrestrials. However, they have later discovered that the comet-shaped light is an actual extraterrestrial entity that is dangerous to humanity. Reports of various attacks from these entities have been received from the following states: Massachusetts, Maine, New Hampshire, Rhode Island, New York, New Jersey, Connecticut, Delaware, Maryland, Pennsylvania, Virginia, Georgia, Texas, Oregon, Wisconsin, Minnesota, Nevada, California, New Mexico, Florida, Washington, Kansas, and Oklahoma. Mass damage and casualties has been reported in these mentioned states. If you lived in these mentioned states, you are strongly advised to do the following. Hide in an underground shelter, such as a basement, so that these extraterrestrial entities will not find you. While you seek shelter, bring enough food and water for your family, as well as clothing and medical supplies for a higher chance of survival. Bring a battery-powered radio with extra batteries and tune to a radio news station to be updated with the latest information and details. These entities feature agility moves, fast speed, and fast combat skills, so whatever you do, do not get yourself caught by these entities, as you will be putting your life in grave danger and may be facing certain death. The United States government has been moved to an undisclosed location, and the President of the United States is currently unavailable to speak at this time. Stay in your shelter until an all-clear has been given by the authorities. All regular programming will be now suspended for the time being. Take action now.